Pretty fly. Now that's pretty fly, right? This is just a handful of designs that you're going to find at prettyflyfpv.com. Go ahead and throw a URL / chef PV at the bottom of your screen. No caps. And that'll go ahead and contribute to me and my support of Pretty Fly FPV. Pretty Fly FPV is not about making money off of the pilots. It's about empowering us to go out there to help promote brands, to help bring together and unite a good solid foundation of business, which Pretty Fly has shown by pushing out a campaign with very little effort other than the skills of Crispy by himself with his own partners in knowing how to basically create a product behind the scenes for months, 4 months, 5 months back time on this, just specking out the bands and all the product. So as all of this comes together, other people are doing things, and that's fine, and we're not trying to compete in the sense of we don't feel we need to. These replacement bands, and my hands are now on them to show you that I'm here, because I am here, are truly quality not seen in the industry for the price points especially. So these are, you can stretch them, you can, again, this is not coming off. This is not paint. This is a proprietary method of dye, much like hydro dipping in the sense of these are actually dyed with the pattern in this way. These are not a printed on both sides band. They have the nice fuzz felt kind of backing to them like any other sport headband would. These are very elasticy, as you can see. I can stretch them very much. Have the side pouch for the battery. Fits very snug. We're actually gonna we did that because we wanted it to be tight around the battery, and over time it gets loose and people have seen batteries fall out. So we want it to be a little snugger at first, and it'll actually loosen its way out, but it'll still retain that Pretty Fly look. So these are all the different straps. Again, there's other ones, but the cool thing is we don't stop with just the goggle strap. These certain ones that I have here, I don't have all of them, but I have a few that we have something else special that we wanted to set the standard in the mark for, which was a good quality, matching, customizable. We can do like the TBS Black Sheep stuff. We can do your brand, come up with a design, and that's what they can get is something that is matching the exact same colors, the exact same images, or just something that goes and blends together. Super soft. Oh my goodness, dude. It's like silk, basically. It's going to come right now. This is actually one of the pre-production runs, or the ones that are not full production. This is actually one of the short ones. And what I mean by that is it's going to come with a second clasp here, right? This is going to comes off and clips off, so you put that on your transmitter and you can quick release it. These buckles are all spec'd, really durable, crack resistant, impact shock resistant, all that stuff. The hardware here, the clip, it's not your standard little pull a little thing down. It's a clip. It's almost like a piece of jewelry, right? And this is quality stuff. This is, again, spec'd out and tested and looked at what was the easiest and the most comfortable, but also holds in there and locks in place with no way of backing out. And this was the solution, was this clamp here. Really pretty sweet. Again, all super durable. The back of it blue because if you're printing on both sides, that means you're just printing. You're not dyeing, or you're doing a sub dye process. So we have those for the lanyards there for your radio. So we've got a couple here just to show you the matching sets. Makes you pretty fly, man. I don't know about you, but I really dig the Burberry one, the kind of Burberry look. It's just something about the look, the pineapple, right? And then of course for those that want the roses, the pink rose with the purple back. So super super stoked to see these different designs here. So many others. Again, these are just some of the designs. Over 25 designs. We'll start launching with licensed partners soon. These are legit. And you want to ask me how I know that they're better than the other guy, right? So, I mean, there's going to be jokes made, and I think it's funny. This is one from the other guy. And right off the bat, after looking at what you just saw, that's all I'm going to say really is, it's both sides. Stretch it and you can really see. You can't even really, you see? Like that's fully stretched. Like my fingers are, let's say, one chain length apart, right? That's how far I can pull that. So same thing here. Look at that. Right? I mean, it maxes out. And you know what that feels like, right? I mean, come on. You know what that looks like. Okay. So we're going to take it one step further and say, of course, we're not even going to have to talk, but let's just look at, that. Right? So you can just see for yourself. There's a strap, right? Similar colors if you would. But there you go. Look at the seams. Look at the materials. All right, we're going to do something real scientific here. What we're going to do is we're going to take two straps. This one is actually already reduced. That's the shortest that it gets, just so you know. And that's the shortest that the Pretty Fly will get. So that's just that, right? Again, $15 plus $5 shipping. $19.95 launch day, free shipping. Okay? Just wanted to say. There we go. All right. So we're going to take this one and we're going to make it the same length just to make this fair, right? Like we want this to be fair. And so, oops, not enough. Wait. All right. So that right there is equal length, right? Cool. So we then have this. This is a vise with a travel scale in it that you're going to see the readout on. I'm going to position it to where you'll see that. And what I'm going to do is, all right, so it's going to be pretty fly and pretty obvious which one here is going to win. I won't have to say much. I'll show you the science that we have going here with your mad scientist, Chef PV. So I've got both ends on the battery side. So these are the battery slots. So they're being measured and seen to be equal length on both. We're going to put our finger in this loop and we're going to extend to our green line just to the end of it. And we'll start with the one that's pretty fly. 2.5. Same loop. We'll take this one. 1.2. 1, 2. Wow. That is a pretty fly difference if you ask me. I'm not sure what you think about that, but I'd like something that's going to really secure my headset to my head, and that's where I'm going to go with pretty fly. So you've seen the science, and you've seen the other guy. Isn't it time you become pretty fly? Which one are you going to choose? Whoa, 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 whoa. Before you go, we got one last thing to say. You know what's not pretty fly? Wearing underwear on your head. Don't wear underwear on your head. Go to prettyflyfpv.com/chefpv. No caps. Help your boy out a little bit. Come on. And if you need volume or custom support, hit me up at troy@prettyflyfpv.com. Fly safe, fly smart. Get that underwear off your head. Be pretty fly. Let's do it. All right. In all real talk, I just want to leave one last parting words. I want to make sure that everybody understands that Pretty Fly FPV, myself, anyone that is affiliated with them and does any work with them, is in no way trying to bring down any other person's design or passion. So fly safe, fly smart, just fly. Fly Pretty Fly FPV. Peace.